This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hi, I'm Megan Donahue. With me is Greg Giannopoulos, Division Manager with Gateway Bank Mortgage. Greg, welcome back.
Good morning, Megan. As always, it's great to be with you.
And this is because?
Well, spring is in the air, summer is around the corner. There's a lot of purchase activity in the marketplace that we're noticing, and we're just excited. 10,000 people today turned 62, which means they qualify for a reverse mortgage now.
Well, do these folks, can they use the reverse mortgage to buy a house?
Yes, a lot of people don't know this. A lot of real estate agents don't know this, but yes, a reverse mortgage can be used to purchase a home, and it works something like this. If someone has a home they'd like to buy, say about $200,000, instead of paying cash for that, they can maybe bring about half of that to the table and get a reverse mortgage for the balance. And once they close on their home and they buy their new home, after that, mortgage payments are optional. They never have to make a payment again for as long as they live in the home. That's really an amazing thing.
That is. Now, are all mortgage lenders the same?
No, not all mortgage lenders are the same. Specifically, when it comes to reverse mortgage lending in the state of North Carolina, the North Carolina Commissioner of Banks does not allow mortgage brokers to be in the business. Nothing wrong with your mortgage broker. They just can't do this type of business. There are mortgage bankers that are not connected to depository institutions. Many of those institutions cannot handle reverse mortgage lending. They just don't have the back office and the funding capacity to do that. As a community bank lender, Gateway is positioned to handle reverse mortgage financing. We do jumbo, FHA, construction, perm, credit line financing. We've had the full gamut of financing available.
Great. Sounds like you can help folks out. For more information, go to reversemortgagevalue.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.